before I could get my camera out there. They come down here already. Here comes a, oh, yeah, it's a little tough, two tufted titmice up there. Come on down, guys, and there's a chickadee. Okay, come on. They don't like that mitten. They don't like that mitten. He's skidding out on the mitten. I may have to take off my mitten. Oh, man. Those titmice have such, and even the, see how the little brown, they got that little brown fringe under their wings. So pretty. All right, that's all. I'm going to take my glove off. Well, there's a little few turkeys there. I think they're kind of cool. I'm going to circle around here, see how close they'll let me get to them. Okay, turkeys, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Oop, almost fell over that log there. Okay, sorry guys, I'm not really harassing you. I just want to show the folks what a bunch of turkeys looks like. Especially the people in Indiana. I mean, not Indiana, they got turkeys in Indiana. Anyway, here's some turkeys for you. Well, we come upon these turkeys here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're not quite sure about me. Want to see how they scratch in there? This guy's scratched up a bunch of leaves. It's a tom. Well, I don't want to scare them off. Anyway, just thought you guys might like to see some turkey pictures. They're really beautiful birds. Should be the national bird of the United States, according to Ben Franklin. I'm just going to see. I don't want to scare them too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 8 of them there. Okay, guys, I'm going to quit chasing you now. I'm going to quit chasing you. You go about your business. And I'll see them take off. Okay, they want to get up with the crowd there. Okay, it's David signing off from Kensington.